Hello kids, welcome to my new video. Let's try to learn some colors name. Sky blue color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, blue color, red color, pink color, violet color, black color, green color. Let's learn alphabets and numbers. A for ant. B for baby. C for cow. D for dinosaur. E for egg. F for frog. G for goat. H for house. I for insects. J for jackfruit. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nuts. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for question. R for rainbow. S for students. T for turtle. U for university. V for village. W for watermelon. X for Xerox. Y for yo-yo. Z for zinc. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. 10. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.